Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well with good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video so attractive and very stylish collection of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women. Many much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyles with beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye. You see in this video, I hope you like it. Different ideas of hairstyles in low maintenance. Mostly ideas in low maintenance hairstyles, spiky hairstyle and messy hairstyles. But in today's my collection, so beautiful ideas of fine hairstyle and some ideas wavy curly, too short wave and curl on hair, and many much more beautiful variety of hairstyles in low maintenance in today's my collection. Different ideas of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color. Light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas in funky colors, and beautiful collection of highlights. Highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors. Different ideas of haircut, pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut. Wedge haircut and different type of cut, some ideas layered, deep layered. Some ideas step, undercut, and the latest type of cut, choppy haircut, notching haircut, cropped haircut. And many much more beautiful ideas. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look very pretty, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please really support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help. So I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back. With new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.